So this is the second video for Telecel users, okay? In case you are a Telecel user and then you are interested in cheap data bundles, I've already made a first video where I will leave a link in the video description, okay? But this will be the second video or the follow-up video for Telecel users. I've already made two separate videos for MTN users, two separate videos for Airteltigo users, all containing two separate codes, okay? And then this is for Vodafone users or Telecel users. I've shared the first video with the respective code with you, and then this will be the second video. So I will leave the code at the end of the video, so you can just skip to the end of the video and then you get the code. So for this, you just click on what, or choose option 1 for data bundles, and then you choose what, option 2. Option 2 is what, Telecel, okay? So you choose option 2 for Telecel data package. These are third-party data platforms, so you have to just buy from them, and then they will buy in bulk, and then they will send it to you, okay? So now you can notice that we have what, 5 gig for what, 27 or 28 cedis, 10 gig for what, 47 cedis, 15 gig for what, 70 cedis, 20 gig for what, 87 cedis. Once I choose next, there are other options over there. So in case these are expensive, although I'll leave the code with you, you can just explore the other option which I initially uploaded for Telecel users, okay? So the other packages are what, we have what, 25 gig for what, 110 Ghana cedis, 30 gig for what, 130, 35 gig for what, 167, and then 40 gig for what, 171 Ghana cedis. Now you can explore this option, or you can just use the other option for the previous videos I made, or in case you are MTN user, Airteltigo user, I've also made these separate videos on our channel. Just go to our playlist and you find the recent videos, or you can also find the video links in this video description, okay? So thanks for staying with me till the end of the video. I will see you in our next video, okay? Because I'll be uploading more and more of these videos in the coming days and weeks, okay? So make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on any videos, okay? Have a lovely day, and I'll see you in our next video. Had its own separate code, data bundle code. So in case you've not watched that, just go to our playlist on data bundles, and then you find that recent video on Airteltigo, okay? I'll also leave a link to that video in the video description so that you can just go ahead and buy that data, okay? So let's proceed with this code. Again, I'll share the code at the end of the video, so in case you want only the code, just skip to the end of the video and then you find the code right there. So you choose option 1 for internet data. Once you choose option 1 for internet data, you have what, Airteltigo, and then what, Airteltigo expiry. Now let me tell you the difference between these two. For the option 4, which is Airteltigo expiry, the data bundle expires, okay? It has a limited time, so you have to use the data within that time in order to be able to use that data, okay? But for the Airteltigo, that's option 3, it's non-expiry, so you have to use it till it doesn't expire. That's the main point. I know you understand what that means, okay? So choose option 3 for Airteltigo. Now once you choose option 3 for Airteltigo, you notice that these are the options for Airteltigo, okay? That package. So you have, it starts from 20 gig to what, 50 gig for this pop-up. Once I click next, there are other options for you to choose from, up to maybe 100 gig or so, okay? So you have 20 gig for what, 86 cedis, 30 gig for what, 92 cedis, 40 gig for what, 107 cedis, 50 gig for what, 120 Ghana cedis, okay? So once I choose N, that's the next option, we also have the opportunity to choose from what, other options, okay? Now I'll share the code with you right here, and then in case you want to see more videos on data packages, make sure to turn on your bell icon after subscribing so that you don't miss out on any future videos, okay? So I will see you in our next video. Have a lovely day.